First open Start and type Notepad. Open Notepad. Now copy and paste the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on File. Click on Save As. In Save As type, select All Files. In File Name type, FIX.REG. Press Save. Close your Notepad. Double-click your REG file. Press Yes. Press OK. Now launch your game. If you want to undo the changes, first open Start and type regedit. Open regedit. Press Yes. Expand H key local machine. Expand system. Expand current control set. Expand control. Select graphics drivers. Select TdrDelay. Right-click it and select Delete. Press Yes. Restart to apply the changes.